Hello everyone, in today's video lesson we're going to learn how insertion sort works, and to do that we're going to use an array of integers and we're going to sort them out. Before doing that we have to understand how swapping and comparison works, and I made special diagram for that. So we're starting with an initial array with 18, 7, 9, 5, 81. These elements are completely mixed, and the first thing that insertion sorting does is comparing the first two elements, and 7 is less than 18, so 7 goes to index 0 and 18 goes to index 1, and then the second and the third element are compared, and in this case 9 is less than 18 and 9 goes to index 1, 18 goes to index 2, and then the third and the fourth element are compared, 18 and 5. 5 is less than 18 and then it's swapped. So we have this array 7, 9, 5, 18, 81, which is not completely sorted. Then 9 is compared to 5 and it's swapped again, and 7 is compared to 5. 5 is less than 7, it's swapped, and the final array is 5, 7, 9, 18, 81. To implement this in C++, I'm gonna start by creating a new project. Console application, click Go, C++, click Next, and the project title will be Insertion Sort. Click Next, click Finish. On the left hand side, double click on Sources, double click on Main, and we're going to remove everything that's in main, and we're going to start by declaring an array called int arr, which is going to be equal to the same elements that were in the diagram: 18, 7, 9, 5, 81, semicolon, and the first thing we're going to do is get the size of the array, int array size, which is going to be equal to the pointer and array plus 1 minus array, and that will give us the size of the array, which is 5. And we're going to first print out the original array, is, and right here we're going to declare a for loop, int I equals 0, semicolon, I is less than array size, semicolon, I plus plus, and this for loop will loop throughout the array and print out everything that's in there. End of line, semicolon. Right now we're gonna start sorting here. And to do that, the first thing I'm gonna do is declare an integer, uppercase N equals 0, semicolon, and this integer will calculate how many passes we had to go through, swaps actually, how many swaps we had to do in order to sort the array. So right now we have for int k equals 1, semicolon, k less than array size semicolon k plus plus. We have int a is equal to array at k semicolon int j is equal to k minus 1 semicolon. And now we're gonna implement a while loop. While j is greater or equal to 0 and a is less than or equal to array at j array at j plus 1 is equal to array at j semicolon j equals j minus 1 semicolon, and right now we have n plus plus semicolon, and right after we have array at j plus 1 equals a semicolon and right now we can type cout the sorted array is equal to end of line semicolon, and for this we're gonna implement a for loop again. int I equals 0 semicolon I less than array size semicolon I plus plus, and we're gonna output the array cout equals to array at I end of line semicolon, and also we can cout we had number of swaps equals to n end of line semicolon, and just before we close the program cin.get open and close parentheses semicolon, and I'm gonna click build and run, and we're gonna see how this array is gonna be sorted. Okay, so we had originally 18 7 9 5 81, and the sorted array is 5 7 9 18 81. It's clearly sorted, and we had 5 swaps. If we remove the cout from here and we print it outside the loop, it's going to be better. We will have a clearer understanding. I'm going to build and run again. Here we go. Original array is 18 7 9 5 81. It's a mixed bag. The sorted array is 5, 7, 9, 18, 81, and the number of swaps are equal to 5. And if we take a look again, right here, this is the original array. We had the first swap here, second swap here, the third swap, the fourth and the fifth, and the final array is here, so it makes sense.